Guesty has made some improvements to the way each listings page is displayed. This new layout groups together all units within a property, making navigation between the different units much easier. Managing all units from one place can help you and your team work more efficiently on a larger scale, and can help reduce the chances of human error when managing your properties. While the biggest changes are relevant for multi-unit listings and complexes, the new layout also applies to single-unit listings. This video will introduce you to these new changes. As usual, click Listings in the top menu and choose the relevant listing. The page is now made up of a number of sections: an overview, which provides a quick look at the property's main information, the Listings menu, and an editor on the right where you can view or update settings. If the property is a multi-unit, all of its subunits are now grouped together here, like this. And if the property is a complex, which can contain a combination of both single units and multi-units, it will look like this. In this example, the complex contains a single unit listing and a couple of multi-units. Each multi-unit can be expanded to reveal its subunits and collapsed again like this. You can search for certain units within a property here, either by its nickname or by its title. Filters can also be added in order to display units with common parameters. For single-unit properties, this section will not appear, and you can simply go ahead and use the Listings menu to access the relevant settings. This menu was originally at the top of the Listings page and is now vertical. Clicking each item in the menu will open up the relevant section on the right, like this. Here, you can also get a quick look at which channels the property or unit is connected to. Clicking each icon will open up the listing in the booking channel itself. With multi-units, you can view or update a property's main settings by clicking here, selecting an item from the menu, and performing the relevant action on the right. With complexes, these main settings can be accessed by clicking the relevant multi-unit. To view or edit each unit individually, click the relevant unit, select an item from the menu, and go ahead and view or make the changes. If you have any questions or feedback regarding the new layout, you can contact us via the Help Center widget in the Guesty dashboard. Thanks for watching!